17 Agustusan itu for me is very nostalgic jadinya, because satu ya, zaman dulu kayak kalau 17 Agustusan tuh ingatnya tuh upacara. Sekarang anak-anak zaman sekarang kayaknya nggak ada yang pernah upacara. I don't know ya, mungkin sebagian masih ngelakuin itu, tapi I think most of the international students are not really doing that anymore, and I think it's quite sad sih. Jadi mereka nggak merasa they're Indonesian at all. Dulu setiap hari Senin gitu, pasti 17 Agustusan ya, kita ada di sekolah pasti ada yang namanya Paskibra, and I was one of them. Gimana ya? It made me actually a bit lebih ada berasa proud being Indonesian and being able to carry the Indonesian flag. Nggak tahu anak-anak sekarang seperti apa sih. Dulu kalau kita harus baca, jadi salah satu yang harus membaca Pancasila gitu untuk di recite together. Terus Undang-Undang 45, right? Dulu tuh karena setiap hari Senin harus ngelakuin itu, kita semua hafal sebetulnya. Nggak perlu kita harus kayak nunggu orang lain untuk ngelakuin itu. Tapi I'm being nostalgic sih kalau 17-an. I nggak pernah ikutan lagi tuh lomba-lomba di sekolah gitu kan, kayak main kebuk, tarik tambang, terus lompat karung gitu kan. Paling geli sih actually nangkep belut for me. But itu tradisional gitu loh, very Indonesian, and it's not, bukannya very Indonesian sih, everywhere pasti ada yang kayak lompat karung gitu-gitu pasti ada, tapi itu 17-annya kita banget gitu loh. Di sekolah selain kita upacara, terus habis itu kita ada yang lomba-lomba, itu is very nambahin gini. I'm not, kalau dibilang 100% Indonesian, I am, okay? Tapi kalau dibilang sukunya apa, campur. I have Sundanese Indonesian blood dari my mom's side, and then also very Chinese from my mom's side juga, and then from my dad is Chinese and a little bit of Dutch as well. I don't know. Kalau dibilang I'm very Indonesian, I think I am Indonesian. I'm born here gitu. My face may not be Indonesian banget gitu kan. Tapi kalau dibilang very Indonesian, should be. And mestinya kita lebih appreciative kalau kita ada yang beda-beda. Kalau misalnya semuanya sama kan kayak gimana gitu kan, kayak lu sama gue sama gitu tampangnya, oh my god gitu, why? Tapi gimana pun juga, for me being Indonesian, even though I have lighter skin, it doesn't mean that you're not Indonesian or any less. And I'm appreciative and I'm quite grateful that I am in Indonesia gitu loh, bukan di tempat lain. Walaupun I grew up in other places gitu loh, tapi tetap Indonesia is interesting for me, and it's dengan keadaan yang sekarang dan keadaan yang aneh-aneh sekarang, whatever it is, Indonesia is still Indonesia, and 17 Agustus is really very important day. And I would like to celebrate it too, but I don't know how, because kayaknya kalau bukannya anak-anak SMP atau anak-anak komplek ya, I don't get to celebrate 17 Agustus. I don't know how to celebrate 17 Agustus di rumah gitu loh. Do I do barbecue kayak 4th of July gitu, or do I do kayak whatever national day kayak in China gitu, where everybody ada di streets gitu nonton parade gitu kan? What do I do? I don't know what to do. Pemerintah bisa kasih tahu. What am I supposed to do di 17 Agustus? Do I do my own 17-an di rumah gitu, gue bikin tarik tambang sendiri. But ya gitu, kita aksesnya, I think it's quite sad sih for me. 17 Agustus I don't get to do anything but just stay at home. That's why I said 17 Agustusan for me is very nostalgic. I have to go back kayak waktu masih SMP, I think ya. SD udah lupa, I don't really remember SD punya story, but SMP itu adanya di sekolah Regina Pacis, Jakarta. After kita upacara, udah pasti mesti pakai upacara dong gitu, and then I pakai putih-putih sih because I was one of the paskibra, and habis itu lombanya seru banget gitu loh, maksudnya walaupun panas ya, zaman dulu sekolah nggak ada AC, oke, zaman sekarang enak banget pakai AC. Zaman dulu nggak ada sekolah nggak pakai AC, jadi kita keringetan, and then mainnya juga di lapangan bola gitu kan, naik tambang per kelas gitu, terus makan kerupuk enak banget. You know ada those kerupuk yang warnanya putih yang kayak keriting gitu ya, itu awesome. I think that's the most memorable one that I have because ya udah cuma itu aja, nggak ada lagi yang kayak I don't do kompleks punya because kayaknya waktu itu karena di sekolah ya, kebanyakan kita kan di sekolah semua, sampai begitu sekolah kan udah rada siang gitu, pulang ya udah nggak ada celebration, whatever, di komplek udah nggak ada gitu. And then setelah SMP juga I'm not here anymore. I was di luar lebih banyak kan, dari dulu I was like 10 years di nari Indonesia. So kalau di luar negeri 17-annya nggak ada sih, kita hampir nggak ada. Tapi we have Permias, Persatuan Mahasiswa Indonesia di Amerika Serikat, and kebetulan Eka pengurusnya dulu in my state, not really in my state, in my city. Jadi salah satu pengurus, jadi kalau misalnya kita ada Indonesian Night or Indonesian Day gitu kan, jadi kita ada makanan Indonesia, ada tari-tarian, ada like baju-baju yang cantik lah, kayak you know all those things gitu. For me that's kayak 17-an. Karena we get to celebrate a little bit of Indonesia di luar negeri gitu, very much. Jadi memorable for me because I get to get together with all my Indonesian friends, and then we get to celebrate all this just being Indonesian di luar negeri, and we're actually proud of it. And banyak teman-teman kita yang dari di luar negeri juga very mereka senang gitu ngeliatin kebudayaan kita gitu, karena kita ada baju-baju, you know, our customs are different, and then we have like all this tarian daerah gitu, terus makanannya, dan we get to display that quite often, and we are very proud. Dirgahayu RI ke-75. I hope that our country will be more prosperous and will get better, and I hope juga this year we can get through it together, and hopefully we can get this crisis, we can pass it right away soon, hopefully. My wishes are Indonesia lebih kompak, Indonesia lebih baik, Indonesia bisa lebih proud, we can be a proud country. It should be, karena I think Indonesia is very rich. It's a rich country, it's a really nice country, it's just in a mess state aja. I hope next year or just this year, okay, this year we can get through it together and it will become prosperous.